I'm tryna make a way.
Yo, man, it's Gunja Man, bitch. We here live. k-wod birthday bash, last car show, my niggas. Wait, talk to the camera, man.
Man, mention money till we bring everybody out, man.
You heard me?
Fucking with my nigga Gunja Man, we gonna put it down in this bitch.
Deerfield Beach, nigga, we here, nigga. Going down, you heard me? Dope Boy Music ENT, 1 million, bitches. Real shit.
See, I know the pain, I am the struggle, I know the game, I am the hustle, never had shit, no pour it in a bitch, light stayed off, roaches in my syrup, daddy on dope, mama selling pussy, no food in the fridge, a niggas come and give them.
Daddy, man, R.I.P. Haitian Pat, man, R.I.P. Perk, man, CB County, Pompano, Dope Boy Music ENT, man, we out here live at the park, man, Elwood, Deerfield, Florida, you heard me?
Still daddy, man, be with kid, first night, man, R.I.P. song, first day I dropped it in there, man. R.I.P. song.
For like a whole month, my people looking for me. Shit, I'm on the run, a young ghetto child, trying to make it out. The odds stacked against me, it made it hard to smile. I had to keep it moving, wasn't no time to cry. I ain't have a choice, it was do or die. Put my tool to use and lay somebody down. It brought the savage out.
We here, birthday boy, my nigga, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck that shit.
I'm just tryna make a way. Out of nothing. I struggled every day. I'm tired of the pain and suffering. I'm just tryna make a way.
A couple years later, I'm incarcerated. Strong arm robbery, followed by a capers. I was in them streets, out there head first. I ain't give a fuck, I'm breaking into churches. My luck was going bad, I was doing bad.
Oh, man, third word, you heard me? One of the hosts for this shit, my nigga. That boy Larry, man. DJ Different, man. Y'all already know what it is. Gunja Man, performing live here. k-wod, DJ Band.
Day 1 305, man. I am Rico 305, man. We out here with them bikes. Yo, we hit the script with that motherfucking U-Haul truck, man. We out here showing love. We in dog right now, man. Shout out to everybody out here stunting, doing their thing. We the only niggas out here on these bikes right now, though. The nigga them. Get them up real quick. Fight like boys, man. Straight out of day, man.
Everything good? Y'all represent Palm Beach County in the house. We in Deerfield chilling, hanging out, celebrating Kanata's birthday. Happy birthday, Kanata. We out here live, you see, with my dog. Out here in Deerfield, close. Watch you to the interview. Free my niggas, man. Free my niggas, dog. Coming home. We out here.
Dope Boy Music ENT, you heard me?
Boca boys, bitch, remember that. Boca Dairy. Till I die. Get my dog up on that way.
Hey, DJ Jizzle, let me talk to these hoes real quick, man. Drop that shit.
These pussy ass hoes, my nigga, talking about how they down for a nigga, how they ride for a nigga, you know what I'm saying? These pussy ass hoes talking about how they real to a nigga, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, weird, these hoes ain't real.
About they nigga, you feel me? How they won't never cross a nigga.
For the same hoes, cross a nigga. These hoes say they down for a nigga. These hoes say they ride for a nigga. These hoes say they real to a nigga. Oh, pussy ass hoes.
Get a nigga killed.
These hoes say they down for a nigga. These hoes say they ride for a nigga. These hoes say they real to a nigga. Oh, pussy ass hoes.
One thing I
I learned about these pussy ass hoes. Can't trust them. Hoes play games. They all about that money. They be lying to a nigga talking about they down. Soon as you go to jail, hoes switch sides on your main bitch. Same chick. You a hustle nigga. She out here fucking off the chain. Ain't send a nigga shit. Put my trust in a bitch. Hell no. I know these hoes lies. Won't let them cross me. It be the same old pussy ass hoes in the club. It be the dope outside. They hoes wanna fuck. Bitches thirsty for a dollar.
I ain't lying.
Motherfucking stats got these hoes going blind. These hoes say they down for a nigga. These hoes say they ride for a nigga. These hoes say they real to a nigga. Pussy ass hoes.
get a nigga killed.
Hoes say they down for a nigga. These hoes say they ride for a nigga. These hoes say they real to a nigga. Pussy ass hoes. Check it.
Hoes say they
Real, but these bitches ain't real. On Instagram, flexing, but you broke a nigga. Fake hoes See, girl, if I fuss with a bitch, I fuss with a bitch. But y'all pussy ass hoes don't ask me for shit. You don't fuck every nigga out the city and the county. That pussy on fire, somebody need to drown it. Look back about these Thursday ass hoes, boy, they slamming. Good niggas at the crib, still on the trip. But these hoes ain't shit. Her mama done told her, get in the nigga pocket. She wanna go plumber, she ain't got no dope money. I ain't fucking with you, hoe. You ain't getting money. It's always the main bitch to take a nigga shit. Pussy ass hoes, get a nigga killed. These hoes say, yeah, hoe a nigga. Happy motherfucking birthday, man. We turning up in this motherfucking year. Pussy ass hoes, I get a nigga killed. These hoes say, yeah, hoe a nigga. How the fuck you wanna go when you ain't got no motherfucking dope money? Huh? That shit don't add up, baby. Y'all don't stop putting your hand out and start putting your hands in, you heard me? Hey, DJ Jiggle, check this out, man. It's been a long year, my nigga. I lost a lot of niggas, dog. R.I.P. to my nigga Haitian Pat, man. R.I.P. to my nigga Perk. R.I.P. to Grandma. I love you.